Hi guys and welcome back to Art Shop channel. Okay, I'm going to show you how to make a topping for one of our donuts. And here is the donut I made earlier. And what we're going to do is I'm going to make it, we're going to put it can be icing or cream depending on how you want to look at it. So I made some fake cream. And I've got some fake coconut. Now, let me show you the coconut. This is the coconut. This is fake, obviously. And do you know what it is, guys? Do you know what that is? Can you tell what that is? Well, I'll tell you what it is. It is wax, candle wax. Okay? Because I find that works good for fake coconut. And I don't know whether you can see on this piece of paper that I've done the cream, the fake cream. So that's what we're going to do on this coconut. So without further ado, let's get on with that, guys. Okay, so we have our donut, and here it is. Here it is, and I've made up some. What I've made is white paint with a little bit of cornstarch, not much, just to thicken it up. Now it has gone quite thick, so I'm hoping this is going to work okay. And what I would try and do is get it all out, and you'll be able to see it. So there it is. So doesn't that look like cream, don't you think? Doesn't it? It does, yes, that's great. Now, I'm not 100% sure I'm going to do this. I might do it with my finger and see how we get on with that. Now, it might all end in disaster, but you know, we're going to go with it. And already there's a little bit of coconut on there already. So, what I'm going to do is just use my finger and pop it on like so. And then I'm just going to offer it around. And then hopefully this will stick. Can you see that, guys? So, yes, it does look like icing or cream, doesn't it? So, I'm pleased with that. So, I'm going to carry on. Let me get some more. Get that off of there, that big little... Shame you can't eat this really because it looks delish. Absolutely delish. Now if you wanted to be clever, you could pipe it on. Now I have piped fake food before, but I'm not on this occasion. But in future tutorials I will show you how to do that. Now, is this going to work? It is, I think. I'm just offering it around like so. I'll see if I've got any more left, because you might as well use it all up. We don't want to waste it, do we? So there's a bit more, just like that. And I'll pop that on there like so. Okay. So. Yes, I'm quite pleased with that. Okay. Let's go with that, I think. So there you go. You've got our topping. Now it's up to you what you call it, but I'm saying it's cream. Or some sort of cream. Now it could be, like I say, icing, that sort of thing. Now we have our fake coconut, which is wax, remember? So what I'm going to do is just basically just drop it on like so. Can you see that okay? So I'm just going to pop it, if I can, slightly on it. In random places, like so, and then I need some smaller bits, so I just think I'll sprinkle it on and then see how we get on with that, because it's making it up as I go along slightly. Now we've got to be careful here because we need it to stick, so we might have to just let it push it down, and then when we turn it upside down, does any come off? And most of it didn't come off, so that's a win-win, guys. Okay, so I'm going to put a bit more on, and I'm just going to see where it looks like it needs a little bit more. Okay, might as well use it all up as we've got it. So that's all you do with this, really. You just dress it like you would a real one. How fantastic is that? So there you go, put that there. You don't want to put it too like rigid and formal. You want it all a bit random. And plus you'll get away with a multitude of sins if you do that. Okay, can you see that? Look at that, absolutely marvellous. Would you eat that? Would you? I bet you would. I mean, you can put sauce toppings on and not sprinkle it, but drizzle it over. But I don't think I will on this one. I think we'll just go with the white theme and go with it. So, yeah, let me just see. Yeah, so that's that one. So how easy was that, guys? I'm really pleased with that. One more bit there. Let's have a bit just there. So that will all dry. And yes, doesn't that look good enough to eat? Eh? Absolutely marvellous. Okay, so that's it for this tutorial. I am doing other tutorials on different toppings for coconut, so check those out when you have time. And any comments, questions, put them in the comments below. Like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. And I'll see you all again in the next tutorial. Bye-bye for now. Thanks for watching.